So hi, today I'm showing a demo of how I use the Github Copilot by creating a small projects. So I've used Keras and PyTorch and developed it to simple project to simple collabs using GitHub Copilot. So the first one I have used is so for the Keras I have used an immense data set where the whole code is developed using the GitHub Copilot. For example, I have gotten here the import tensor flow library, and the GitHub Copilot will automatically create the library for me. Will show me the library and I have imported all the libraries by just using the tab, and it's it has given me the all the libraries which are useful and the recommendations to all the libraries which are useful for creating the project. So this is one of the collab which I have used, and the GitHub collab has helped me a lot by giving these recommendations. This helps me from missing out some of the important libraries which are useful to develop the project. And this I have run in the collab, and this is the output which it has shown by the code. And this is the code which I use in the GitHub collab give me an understanding of what are the important uh, hierarchy of the library in libraries which are useful for developing a project. And the next one for the PyTorch, I have uh, used this project. So for the next one, for the using the um, PyTorch-based neural network model, develop the model for the classification of the images of the digital images of the numbers, which is the MIMS dataset, which is default dataset, uh, which can be loaded directly from using the libraries. So here also have used the GitHub Copilot uh, to uh, uh, to, uh, to make the project easily by getting the recommendations. So for example, I would like to show the this add epochs and the learning rate, which has helped me a lot, where the GitHub Copilot has helped me a lot. So here I'll be adding add epochs. So, and here it gives me the epochs. So it's given me before later. So I'll just check get the plain loader. As it has already, it's not giving me. So here, when I give add epochs and add epochs and learning rate, now it will give me the and this epoch. So here, so it gives me learning rate as an example and the default learning rate. And So this way it gives me all the recommendations to, and for the define transform as well, it will give the all the important parameters which goes for creating a transform. So and then I would like to show the train loader, which actually helps. So these are some of the recommendations which are given by the GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot is very useful tool for developing the project. So while developing a project, to add any new parameters, it will give the what are the default parameters and their values to be added to the added while using that library, and that on that we can improve the uh, we can improve we can we can change the parameters and tweak the parameters and get the desired results from the models. So this I have developed is in the and ran in the GitHub collab and got the results this way. So this way GitHub Copilot has helped me. This is the first time me using the GitHub Copilot in the Visual Studio, and this is a very useful tool, and it helped me to understand what are the important parameters and what are the parameter steps to be followed to develop a project. And I'm going, and as this is my first time using, I'm going forward, I would like to use more of the GitHub Copilot and explore more about it and learn more techniques, which will be helpful to do my assignments and the projects. Thank you.